Hello everyone, आप सब लोग कैसे हो? So today we are going to make Rakhi. So let's get started. So let's take molded. And open it and mix this both the glaze. Before mixing, we will apply oil to our hands so that it won't stick. Now let's mix it. So you have taken talcum powder so it doesn't stick to the surface. Let's spread it and mix. So we have mixed the clay. Now divided it into two parts. Take one part and shape it in a circle like this way. Now take some smaller part and roll it and make a strip so we can stick the thread like this way. Now let's take thread and put this strip like this way. So you have tweezer and I will use its back side to attach the strip. Now let's keep it for drying. So you have dried and color it in orange color. Now let's take bits and stick it. Now you have needle. Now let's insert the needle in the thread. Now let's insert the pearls. So first we will insert 3 small pearls, then this ring of big pearl, and again repeat the process. And at the end we will put 2 silver pearls. Now same way do at this side like this way. Now let's stick all the pearls and the Rakhi is ready. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. And do follow us on Instagram also. Thanks for watching. Bye.